In front of me is Realme 12x, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by opening Recorder app and tapping on Allow in the pop-up. Following that, use this red button at the bottom to start recording. Then hit Allow or Don't Allow and wait. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, tap the middle button. To discard it right away, select Cancel at the top left corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. To add a bookmark, click on the left icon, and to add a photo mark on the right one. Then take a pic. To discard it, select X on the left, and to add it, check mark on the right. Now to end and save your recording, hit save at the top right corner. Then name it and hit save again. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. To play it, click on it. To manage it, use all of those options at the bottom. And wherever you do, hit save at the top right corner to save your changes or cancel to discard them. If you want to get rid of your recording, you need to hold the chosen one. Click Delete at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!